Hey there, how has your day been? I'm so excited that you tracked down the link for you to know how to use your sample. So I have got the Thieves Cleaner sample here, and all you're gonna do is you are gonna take this, open this packet up, and dump it into a bottle. That's it, and then you're gonna fill the rest with water. It's that easy and that simple. There are recipes that you can follow, and I've included an infographic in the comments below for you to go, and you can click on that infographic and it'll give you all the recipes that you can use with this. But for the most part, you can use this on anything and everything. I have even used it on my children when we've been out and about. So it's non-toxic, it's clean, it's great for around your animals, around your kids, around you, and you're gonna love it. So I know that you're gonna wanna be able to get more of it. So the way that you can do that is also by clicking the link for the home cleaning kit, and you can grab that off of my site. And you can get yourself started on having a home that is totally toxin free. That's what we're going for, is for you to have ingredients that you know are not going to harm you or your family or your animals. So that is it. I hope you guys have a great day. Super simple. We'll talk to you later.